Hi, this is Sewn for Hobby. You may call me Lisa, and welcome back to another DIY tutorial on how to make a project. Today I had an idea to look up an earring, and I had this from my stash. I bought two quantity of this queen size word to turn into keychain. This is what it will look like when it comes in the bag. And here is a finished product that I did. Here it is. I made a gold keychain like this. And how I came up with this idea, I was searching on Amazon or Plus Compare, and I found these earrings that were big enough. I knew they would be big because I wanted the big size to make a keychain. This, in reality, is no good for earrings because it's too big. I don't know about what you guys would think, but let me know what you guys think about this in a private message, and I'll try to get back to you. Anyway, let's take it out of the bag. I'm going to do one today on camera. There are 8 of them in here, but I get 12 out of this biggest of earrings. So let's take it out of the bag. What you need for this project is some keychains. These are hardware, and some jump rings. But if it comes with a jump ring, you don't need anything. So this is what it looks like in the bag. So let's take it out of the bag. Now, in order to take these off, you need some tools. I'm using my round nose pliers and my trusty old flat nose pliers. Let's set the trash aside. And here we go. Now what you want to do is remove the jump ring from the tip top. Not all the way, because you'll be using that same jump ring to install the keychain. So let's take one keychain out of the bag before we begin. This is what mine will look like. And sometimes it'll come up with these nice looking lobster cloths, large size. And yeah, and then you'll connect it right here in the loop. Let's see if I can do one on camera without messing it up. In order to take this off, you gotta open up this jump ring. This is called a jump ring. Let me see if I can find the hook. There it is. Alright, how to do it off camera. Let's see if I can focus. It's right there. Open it. You can save these ear hooks for a different project, so all is not lost. Make sure it's securely closed before selling it to somebody. And yeah, there you have it. I don't know, mine's closed all the way. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below if my jump rings are always closed or not. Just watch the video again if you guys have trouble of how to open up the jump ring. But there we go. There you have it. Now this is what it looks like, and you're all done. I'll make a second one with you. And it's more finding opening. I'll do it off camera really quickly while I try to save some time here. Get another piece of keychain out of the bag. One will be without. Sometimes it'll come with it. Other times it will not. So we'll do one. We'll try to do a matching one. There's my matching one. Let's put that aside. I believe that's the opening right there. Take this. Just do what I do, and you'll get your result. You open the jump ring, take this out, switch it to this, close it back up. There we go. I think I did it. Let me know if I did a good job, guys. It helps me out if you comment, like my videos, to see if we can do some more crafting videos, come up with better ideas, how to grow this channel. And don't forget to share with your family and friends. Give me a good thumbs up. That's it. It only took me 7 minutes to do 2 pairs. Sometimes you don't have to have a matching earring if you want to use up the leftovers so it doesn't get wasted. And that's what it looks like. It has a matching set. There's number 2. The other one was this one. So I got 2 of these now. Right here, I'll show it to you up close. That's what it looks like. This is called Queen. I think it's upside down. There we go. There we go. On the keychain. How cool is that? You can take an old pair of earrings like the way I did. Remember, it'll come in a bag like this. And all you need is some keychain for this project. And if you want to use your own jump rings, you can use some of these. This is my jump ring kit. I bought this a long time ago. And it stayed with me for a couple of years, so it's still in good condition. If you have to use whatever you have in your stash, use it. All you will need is the round nose and a pair of flat nose and a keychain hardware. These are Keychains hardware, I believe. You can find yours at Amazon or Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, or Plus Compare. And yeah, a little bit of a cold this morning, so bear with me. And don't forget to check out my eBay page. I'll link it in the description box down below. And don't forget to like and give me a good thumbs up. Comment and private message if you would like to contact me. And yeah, and let's get some more crafts out there. Sorry for the long wait, but sometimes I don't have a good idea or the same old idea. So let me know what type of ideas would you like to see for necklaces, bracelets, and for keychains. But sometimes getting the supplies takes a long time to get in. And right now, I'm a little bit hurting for extra money. So hopefully you guys will check out my eBay store page and give me a good thumbs up. From there, don't forget to like and, you know, buy with confidence. You get the product, what you see in the picture. So I try to do my best to my ability to satisfy everybody. So it's not easy. And that's about it. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye, everybody. Have a good day.